Welcome to BulldogRealty.com. Check out all of our new home communities organized by the county. Each are located within Northeast Georgia. Many qualify for USDA 100% mortgage financing. Go Dogs! Craftsman style 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath 2-story plan. Open main level floor plan, large greatroom with brick accent wood burning fireplace, kitchen overlooks greatroom, white custom cabinets with granite kitchen countertops, island, walk-in pantry, separate ding room, master suite has walk-in closet, master bath has a separate shower and garden tub, double vanity, patio, 2-car garage, warranty, autumn plan. Seller is offering with full price offer and use of the preferred lender $10,000 credit towards closing costs. Interest rate buydown FHA 5.5 fixed rate for 30 years, 6 feet wooden rear yard privacy fence, 2-inch faux blinds, garage door opener, master shower door, side refrigerator.